theory of logarithm, there are a few theories that we will be making use of. Let's try to see which one will be involved in this particular question. So the question says we should evaluate log 280 base 10, log 280 base 10. Though we've been given log 2 base 10 and log 7 base 10. Let's see how it goes. The first thing we can think
Okay,
about
sir.
is the first thing we can think about is how can we generate 2 and 7 from 280? Okay, we can firstly say maybe this is equal to log 28 times 10, still base 10, which we can split into log 28 base 10. Because it's multiplication, we use addition, log 10 base 10. Then remains 28 to be splitted. So we can now split 28 and say log of 4 times 7 is 10. Then still plus log 10 is 10. And finally, we can split the 4 and the 7 to become log 4 is 10, still plus log 7 is 10, and plus log 10 is 10. So with this, we move to the next line and say when we have log 4 base 10, we can raise 2 to power 2 to give us 4. So log of 2 raised to power 2 base 10 plus log 7 base 10, then plus log 10 base 10. Then remember that the 2 that is the power a can go to the back. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we have 2 log 2 base 10 plus log 7 base 10, then plus log 10 base 10. Now we're going to apply, we have been given log 2 base 10. So that will be 2 times the value of log 2 base 10. Log 2 base 10 given is 0.3010. 3010. Then plus, we have been given the value of log 7 base 10 to be 0.8451. 0.8451. Then log of the same base is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So log 10 base 10 is going to be 1. So we have 1. So what we have now is 2 times 0.3010. And that's going to give us 2 times 0.3010. That's 0.6020, which is just 0.602 plus 0.8451, then plus 1. So when we add all of these together, we have what? 0.8451, then plus 1. So our final answer will be 2.4471. 2.4471. So is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write it down. Once you're through, we'll look at the next one.
Okay.
And it's also going to involve some combination of the theory of logarithms. So we have if log of x is 9 equal to 1.5, we should find x. Okay, the main thing we're going to use is this theorem, or this theory that says log a plus b equals c. Then whenever you see equal to, you can think of this. So a equal to b raised to power c. With this, a is x, b is 9, and c is 1.5. So x equal to 9 raised to power 1.5. So the question somebody will ask, without using a calculator, how do I raise 9 to 1.5? Okay, that would be 9 raised to power 3 over 2 because 3 over 2 is 1.5. Okay, now this is becoming simpler because we remember there is a theory or law of indices that says that If you have a raised to the power b over c, you can put it into seat root of a, then raised to the power b. So c is 2 and b is 3 in this case. So this is going to become the 2, which is square root of 9 raised to the power 3. Then we have square root of 9 to be 3 and raised to the power 3. 3 raised to the power 3, that's 3 times 3 times 3, and that is 27. So when you're putting this down, put down this and this as reference, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so the question will also be requiring some theory of logarithm in one form or the other. So let me see how this works. So it says find the value of log 1 over 40 is 10, given that log 4 is 10 is 0.6021. So having been given this, then we'll work towards achieving this in that particular question. So let's see how we can get them. So we can say log 1 base 10 minus log 40 base 10. Since there is a division here, it means minus in logarithm. So with this, we know that anything raised to power 0 is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we can say this is log, uh, hold on, I want to change the color of that pen. See. Now, we can say this is log 10 raised to power 0 um, base 10, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then minus log, we can split this 40 into 10 times 4. So, or 4 times 10, then still on base 10. So this power 0 is coming to the back to multiply everything. So it's going to give us 0. So this is going to be like you're saying 0 times log 10 base 10 minus log 4 base 10, 4 base 10 plus log 10 base 10. I have to split the 4 and 10, okay?
Yes, sir.
So with this, I have 0, log of the same base is 1, but this is still going to give me 0. Then minus. This one is log 4 base 10. Log 4 base 10 is 0.6021. Then the other one, log of the same base is 1. So this is 1 here. Then I have 0 times 1 is 0. So I have 0 minus whatever is in the bracket. It's going to be 1.6021. So 0 minus 1.6021, the final answer will be minus 1.6021. So is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take some time, write down the question and the solution. Then we'll continue from there. So this question that we want to look at, log 2 equal to x, log 3 equal to y, and log 7 equal to z. All of them, once the bases are not written means all of them are in base 10. So we can, so you should evaluate log 28 over 3 in terms of x, y, and z. That means we should, that means we should split log 28 into something that will give us whether 2 or 3 or 7. So, but we already have 3 at the bottom, okay?
Yes, sir.
So that means it's only 4 and 7 that will give us 28. So we can say log 28 base 3, I mean, not base 3. 28 over 3 because it's base 10 equal to log 28 base 10. Because of division, we put minus. That's log 3 base 10. Now 28 is to be splitted. That will be log 4 times 7 base 10, still minus log 3 base 10. Then we can split this 4 and 7. That will be log 4 base 10 plus log 7 base 10, then minus log 3 base 10. And to the next line, 4 can be 2 raised to power 2 base 10 minus log 7 base 10, plus log 7 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. And finally, before we substitute the given values, this 2 is coming to the back, okay?
Okay.
So we have 2 log 2 base 10, then plus log 7 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. So in terms of what we were given, log 2 is x. So we have 2 into x. Log 7 is y. Log 7 is z. So plus z, then minus log 3 is y. So our final answer is 2x plus z minus y. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So you can write it down now.
Okay.